Doesn't smell weird like snails or anything, so that's good. I don't know, is there actually snail stuff in here? Look at that nice snail slime shine.
My name is Tierney, I'm 25 and I'm from Alaska. I'm a designer and I live in New York City. I don't really know what my skin type is, but I think I'm mostly concerned with the acne that's on my cheeks and then just aging in general, wrinkles, that kind of stuff. I hear Korean skincare is really good and I would like to know more about it.
Hi Tierney, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you excited about your new 10-step routine?
Yes, very excited.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna start you off really slow in your first week, and we're gonna add on products in the second week, and then in the third week it's gonna be like a full 10-step. The green tea pads are really awesome for acne, for premature aging. So it exfoliates by tea tree oil. This is one of my favorite sheet masks for like acne prone skin and oily skin. Mugwort and also centella extract. Centella extract promotes collagen production. This just is a lightweight hydration and also shrinks your pores, like tightens up your pores too.
Step 1, again, is the hand skin oil cleanser. Okay, now for step 2, it's this Claire's. So step 3 is Dr. G Mentor Cream. This thing. Just gonna put that on. Ta-da! Alright, that's it. It's the morning of day 2. My skin still feels like really soft. I woke up this morning and my boyfriend said, "Wow, you look really pretty. Have you been up a long time?" So maybe it's already working, but maybe he's just being nice. I finished up the first week with the 3-step, and so now I'm gonna start the 5-step. So I already finished doing the first 2 steps, the double cleanse, and so now it's time to do the toner. Then after you do it with the cotton pad, you're supposed to put some on your hands and then pat it onto your face. Look at that nice snail slime shine. So one thing I would like to say about Dr. G Mentor Cream is that I really wish this came in a bigger container or bottle or something. Right before I got my period, I would usually get a really big pimple, and that didn't happen this time so far, so I'm really excited about that. I actually haven't had any new big breakouts or breakouts at all since I've started using Korean skincare. I already feel like some of the acne scars and things that I've had on my face are starting to get a little smaller, especially on this side. So this week it's gonna be a 10-step routine, so we're gonna add 5 new steps to the 5-step routine that I was doing last week. The first 2 steps are still the double cleanse, which I already did. Just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna finish doing the rest of the steps. The 3rd step is a new product this week, and it's the Neogen Gauze Peeling Green Tea Wipes. I'm really excited to try this product finally. So another new product for the 10-step is a mugwort sheet mask. Looks like this. So I've been waiting for the 10-step just to have my sheet mask selfie moment, so here it is. It's super slimy, and you're just supposed to like pat the excess stuff into your face. So I'm about to use the liquid. It's really cold because it's been sitting in my fridge for like 2 weeks. Since it's my first time using it, I'm supposed to just put a few drops in with my moisturizer and then apply my moisturizer. With that, I feel like a scientist doing this. I'm just gonna put maybe 2 drops. It's so cold. The 9th step of the 10-step is this bamboo eye cream. So the final step in the mornings for the 10-step routine is a sunscreen, and so the sunscreen is this all-around safe block SPF 50. It has both SPF and PA+++. It's actually raining and cloudy outside today. You can never be too safe. Practice safe skin. So it's the first morning after doing all 10 steps last night, and my skin feels really soft still. So yeah, I really like doing all the 10 steps. It's super moisturizing.
I think my experience was really positive. I saw an improvement in my skin, and it was really fun to try all of the new products and track how my skin was responding to them. My skin, like the surface of it, looks a lot smoother. I don't have as many bumps. It also feels like super hydrated all the time, and I feel like the hydration like gives it a nice glow. Like I catch my like reflection of my skin in the subway windows and stuff. I'm like, oh wow, my skin looks great. So definitely noticed some positive changes. My favorite products are the Neogen green tea exfoliator scrubby things. I really like using those. I feel like it totally gets a lot of the dead skinny stuff off my face. I really like the oil cleanser, the Hanskin oil cleanser. That was life-changing. And then I think my other favorite product, I really like the sunscreen because it doesn't smell like sunscreen at all and it leaves like a matte finish on your face. So I'm excited for it to get warmer and use that product in the summer. So what surprised me the most is probably how well my skin responded and how much it changed after starting doing the double cleanse. Like I feel like that made the most difference. So it was really surprising how much just cleansing your face a second time can do. I definitely feel like my confidence has improved. I feel like I don't really need to wear as much makeup just to feel like pretty or something. Like if I have a big meeting, I don't have to put foundation on. I just feel like my skin can kind of just show itself. I think I'll definitely continue to do the full 5-step. I really liked that. It was really manageable. And then I think on special occasions I can interpret more of the 10-step, like do a sheet mask every now and then, and the exfoliator, you don't have to do that every day. So maybe I'll do about 7 steps every day. #Soko Glam Squad.